So here we are in the master bedroom. Not only in the master, but every bedroom in the house, you want to also maintain that consistency. So on the listing side, before we get ready to put the house on market, the most important thing we do here is obviously make sure the lighting, the color, and the flooring is all consistent. But we do some perks that make it present even better. For instance, on the windows, you might have screens that are still on the window. From a marketing perspective and from a showcasing perspective, we remove those screens to let additional light into the room to not make you feel as dark and as confined that you might see some bedrooms feeling like, right? The second thing that we do is work hand in hand with our staging team. It's very important to build a very good relationship with your staging partner because that person is gonna make the room feel more inviting, more fulfilled, and just give it that vibe that you want to experience like you would if you were living here yourself. And it's important to have a consistent feel and theme throughout the house. Why? Because we want to maintain that feel of not being distracted. The less distracted you are looking at the home from a selling perspective, the more inclined your buyers are to just focus on the things that matter, right? Price, coming in at what level, whatever that might look like. We want to get this place as ready as we can to not have any conversations about how it's presented, but just focus on the high ticket items. And that's kind of what you see presented throughout the home here. Some of the things that we also focus on is creating a vibe that allows bedrooms to feel like a hybrid space. How can you make a bedroom feel like not just to live, but a work environment as well? A lot of people might not want that, but given what we're going through with the pandemic and the transition into the new year, we can find some areas of the room that could be considered like a nook or like a study or a den, whatever that might look like. But that hybrid environment being staged gives the buyer a perspective of utilizing their space more effectively.